Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to be demonstrating the AI Mandala Generator. Now the idea of this tool is to be able to create a personalized and custom mandala which you can then either sell, use or color in, whatever you feel like. So the AI Mandala Creator is unbelievable because all it requires from you is to put some text in a box and then it will create it for you. So for example, if I wanted a flower mandala, I would just type the word flower in here, nothing else. So you don't have to prompt it in any way. You just type flower and you'll find yourself with a bunch of flower mandalas down here. So these are ones that were previously generated. You are free to use these. And the one that I just made now is going to appear over here. Now, the idea behind this is that a lot of people are creating coloring books, but mandalas are just as popular in the market right now, if not more popular than some coloring book pages. And I've noticed that animal mandalas are very popular. So here's the one that was just created. And another announcement I have for all our followers is that right now we've had a massive price drop where to download an image is only 5 credits. That's half price what it used to be. Used to be 10, now it's 5. And also personal use has gone down and also exclusive rights. If you click on exclusive rights, you will download the image. Now let's think of something nice like butterfly and click generate and just look how beautiful some of these results are. When it comes to creating these mandalas, and you have quite a diverse type of results. You can see this is more for children, this would be more for adults, this would be more for adults, etc. But the idea is that in 2024, the only real way to be making mandalas is to use a tool like this. I'll link it in the description. And of course, you can use it. Oh, I just want to show you something. This was a mandala that we just made just now. I really want to zoom into this and just show you the exact result close up. So as you can see, all the prices have gone down like crazy. We've been able to achieve that. Let me just download that a second for commercial use and just show you a close-up of the quality. If the quality is good enough for you, that's fantastic. And if not, you can always upscale it using our image upscaler, which we also have available. So let me just click on this, open with photos, and I'm going to zoom in to show you the kind of quality you can expect. So as you can see, it's pretty pin sharp even when you zoom in. Fantastic. So like I said before, if you need to upscale this kind of image, all you need to do is go to our image upscaler, which you can find by clicking the generate button, image, and then AI image enlarger. Once you're on this page, you upload the image here and you can upload it and you can enlarge it up to 4 times the size that you downloaded it. So let me just do that for you right now to show you an example of that. That way you can use this kind of mandala in a bigger coloring book and get higher quality mandalas without losing any quality. So it takes about a minute to enlarge an image like this. So you just have to bear with me here. Okay, it's finished now, and here's the larger image. It automatically downloads without you even doing anything. And so if I click on this button here and then open it up with photos, then we can zoom in just to check the quality out. So as you can see, even when you zoom in very closely, you get very few artifacts. Of course, this is a much larger image than the original. You can use this on much larger files. So thank you for watching. I was Daniel, your host. We are AI Tools. The generate.net is filled. I'm telling you, filled with AI tools. It's an all-in-one AI platform. If you click on AI imaging on this page, you'll find all of our tools. And the tool we just saw now was the AI Mandala Generator. Thank you for watching and bye for now.